In this video, I'm going to share with you how I painted a skeleton. So if you want to jump straight to the skeleton, click the link in the comments below now. And to you who stayed around to watch the full video, I'm going to share with you how we painted posters. If you're new to the channel, my name is Charlotta and I run art classes under London Art Nanny in London, obviously. And this is what we've been making this week. It's quite fun to do with the kids, and it's also, if you're new to painting, this is quite easy to do, and it's a little bit of color study, a little bit of silhouettes and shades. So yeah, keep watching and try it out. Ready? Let's go! Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting below what you think about this project. See you very soon. Love you.